Today we talk about cross-border insurance, or what do European companies need to do when setting up operations in the US when it comes to insurance. In the last several years, we've been engaged by several European firms that are setting up operations here in the US for their business insurance, and I thought a video on the subject may be interesting. The first question you may be asking is, why does an EU firm need coverage in America? Doesn't their current insurance already cover them? Unfortunately, in most cases, the answer to that is no. Most policies, regardless of where they are purchased, have territorial restrictions. Here in the US, most policies restrict coverage to the US, its territories and possessions, Puerto Rico, and Canada. In Europe, the territorial definition can change from country to country and policy to policy, but I've seen geographical limits as to just the country of origin or within the EU, or a policy may provide worldwide coverage, but it excludes the US and Canada. Most insurers in Europe do not want to deal with claims originating in the US due to their high legal and settlement costs. So if your firm is opening up shop, say, in New York or LA or really anywhere in the US, what do? There are 2 steps I recommend. First, speak to your current broker in your home country. Can coverage be broadened, even for an additional premium, to even some of the policies to include operations within the US? For most small and medium-sized firms, this isn't going to work most of the time, unfortunately. For larger firms with a global footprint that use a global insurance broker, this is going to be more applicable. If that doesn't work, the second step is engage with a broker here in the US that can handle the coordination of possible coverages between your home coverage and the US coverage. I'm of course happy to assist here, and if you plan on opening multiple offices in several states or engage workers in different states, make sure you have a broker who can coordinate the various state laws on workers' compensation insurance and similar coverages. Again, happy to assist here as we do have licenses in most states and can accommodate these issues. Then there are other business operating issues outside of insurance, such as payroll, taxes, accounting, health insurance, real estate, and legal that you'll need help on, and I have a deep bench of experts in various fields that I'd be happy to share with you and your team to make sure we're covering all the bases. The big point I want to make is that you should be engaging a broker with deep domain expertise in your industry who can coordinate the right coverages for you and help explain and educate you on the way insurance functions here in the US. In addition to working with your current insurance providers to make sure there aren't any duplications or gaps between your home country and here in the US. Have other questions regarding business insurance here in the US and how to coordinate it with your current coverages? Give me a call or drop me an email so we can arrange a time to chat. I'd love to help out and make sure the process is easy and seamless for you. Thanks.